So I'm going to show you how to use this little pocket document camera that was so graciously made for us teachers. You can use this with a Google Meet, a Webex, or a Zoom meeting with students to share kind of just like you would a document camera. So you would just take this and put it over your webcam. And now you can share your notebook or a whiteboard and do your writing. Now, the yellow bar up at the top of my screen is because I'm using a personal Chromebook, so mine doesn't quite fit, but the school laptops, this should fit just fine. All right, so you think that that's pretty easy, right? You just stick it on there and go. Well, when I tested this as a student, here's what it ended up looking like. So it actually flips the image or it mirrors it. And no matter what I tried, no matter what kind of settings I adjusted from the teacher's point of view, no matter what on the student's point of view, it always showed up flipped. So here's the easiest way around that I've been able to find. So on your computer, you are going to, in a new window, open up a camera. All computers and Chromebooks and laptops should have some sort of application that opens up a camera. So see it opened up in a window. I still have my meeting in the background. Now I've got my camera in the front. So I'm going to leave this open, but I'm just going to go ahead and minimize it and put it off to the side. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and present or share our screen. So no matter which tool you're using, Webex, Zoom, or Google Meets, you'll want to go ahead and share your screen. Now, if it gives you the option to share an application, you want to go ahead and pick that one. You're going to find your camera application to share with students. If you don't have the choice to choose an application, you can go ahead and share your entire screen. Since I'm only using one screen currently, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one to share. And now students will be able to see whatever I'm sharing. So I'm going to share my camera. So I'm going to come back down here. I should still have it open. I'm going to pop it open and there it is. So now students can see me. And there might be just a little bit of a lag here, but I'm going to go ahead and put my dock camera up. And then when I put that underneath, it should work. So let me show you what the picture looked like. Oops. So there it goes. So I tested it, it works. That's probably the easiest way to turn your laptop into a document camera. So again, just practice sharing your screen and opening up that camera application. Hope it helps. Bye.